Hello to each and everyone. My name is Carmelo T. Robles and I'm here to present to you the problem number 7 and 8. And let's start with number 7, which has the given of x squared plus y squared plus 12x minus 8y plus 16 is equal to 0. Then, kapag sinubstitute naman natin siya, pagsasamahin natin ang may value of x and value of y, kaya ang magiging equation niya is x squared plus 12x and y squared minus 8y equals to negative 16. Kaya siya naging negative 16 kasi yung positive 16 sa kaliwa, nilipat natin sa kanan. Kaya negative 16. And kailangan maging tatlo siya kapag sa next step. Kaya gagamit tayo ng PST. Imagine niyo na lang wala, blanco pa yan. Wala pa yung 36 na yan. Kaya kukunin natin itong 12. And yung 12 na yan, i-divide natin siya into 2. So, 12 divided by into 2 is 6. And 6 squared is equal to positive 36. Kaya, 36 dito. Kapag nilagyan natin siya ng 36 dito, dapat lalagyan natin siya ng 36 din dito since equation nga. And dito naman sa kabila, since negative 8 yung given, negative 8 divided by into 2 is equal to negative 4. And negative 4 squared is equal to positive 16. Kaya siya positive kasi negative times negative equals to positive. Kaya positive 16, sorry. Positive 16. Maglalagay tayo ng positive 16 dito and maglalagay din tayo ng positive 16 dito. Then, lipat naman tayo dito sa kanan. Negative 16 plus 36 is equal to positive 20. And plus 16, 20 plus 16 is equal to 36. Kaya, i-bring down na lang natin yung 36 na yan. Kaya, ang magiging final answer natin dito is x plus 6 squared is plus y minus 4 squared is equal to 36. Move on to number 8, which has the given of x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 18y plus 35 is equal to 0. Tulad ng ginawa natin sa number 7, isa-substitute rin natin siya at pagsasamahin ang may value of x and y. Kaya, ang equation niya is x squared minus 4x y squared plus 18y is equal to negative 35. Negative 35 kasi positive 35 na siya rito sa kaliwa. Kaya kapag nilipat natin siya sa kanan, magiging negative. Kailangan maging tatlo siya rito. Imagine niyo lang ulit, wala pa yan. Wala pa yung 4 na yan. Para maging tatlo siya, gagamit tayo ng PST which is the perfect square trinomial. Kaya, kukunin natin yung negative 4. Negative 4 divided by into 2 is equal to negative 2. Then, negative 2 squared is equal to positive 4. Kasi nga, negative times negative is equal to positive. Lalagyan natin siya ng positive 4 dito. Maglalagay din tayo ng positive 4 dito since equation nga sila. Then, let's move on naman dito sa y. Since 18 ang given dito, kukunin mo muna yung 18. Imagine nyo wala ulit yung 81 na. 18 yung given dito. So, 18 divided by into 2 is equal to 9. So, 9 squared is equal to 81. Kaya, bring up yung 81 and maglalagay ka rin sa kanan ng 81 since equation nga dapat. Kung ano meron sa kaliwa, meron din sa kanan. Then, dito naman tayo. Negative 35 plus 4 is equal to negative 31. Then, if we add 31 and 81 is equal to 50 na lang. So, bring down 50. Ito yung 50. Ang magiging final answer natin is x minus 2 squared plus y plus 9 squared is equal to 50. And that's all. Thank you.